This is a fanny pack with a zipper problem. The zipper's closed, but it's not closed. Here's how to easily fix it if you are handy with a pair of household pliers. First, open the zipper as far as it will possibly go. Next, take each side of the zipper and pull them apart to force the zipper tab back farther if it will go. Next, you want to set the pliers so they open to the widest, so the teeth will come down parallel. Next, to protect the pull tab from getting teeth marks from the pliers, we'll cover the pull tab with a paper towel. Next, I take the pliers, put them one side inside the bag under the pull tab, the other side on top of the pull tab. Give it a firm squeeze, just like a handshake. And voila, there you have it. That's a fix that, after years of just replacing bags, I had an insight to try tightening up the pull tab, and sure enough it worked. So I suggested to try it with any zipper that's separating behind the pull tab. And the one caution is just don't squeeze it so hard that you crush the pull tab. Give it a firm, brief squeeze. If that doesn't work, give it another one. And that between one or two, it should work. And I hope this is useful to you. Take care.